What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we start this video, I gotta get something to eat and we're at the perfect place to do it at. I'm gonna show y'all guys if y'all know this place, but you probably not know this place. We are at the spot that we always go to, that I never film about. We are at Martin's today. Give me some breakfast. Gotta get this chicken biscuit before we get started. So today, I'm gonna try to fix the dampers on the coilovers because they've been giving little problems. And I need a major car wash to this car, even though it looks like it's about to rain today, but I don't care. I need my car to look good, but I gotta get something to eat first because breakfast is the most important meal of the day, even though it's about to be lunch in 30 minutes, but it's okay. So let's get this Martin's and let's get to work. All right.
Good morning, welcome Martin.
All right, hello. May I get a chicken biscuit, please? The large one.
Okay, I'll large chicken biscuit out for you.
And that'd be all.
Okay, $3.85.
All right, thank you.
Hey, how are you?
Doing good.
What? You got the chicken biscuit?
Oh,
she already got it. All right.
Now you some strawberry jelly, please.
There we go. Have a
Appreciate
good day.
it. You too. That fitment. Let's get down to the real business. Let's adjust these dampers on the coilovers. All right. These pop out like usual. That is one. And that's where we will be adjusting. Let's go over and get the other side right quick also. Oh, damn, I didn't want to pull it out like that, but oh well. So that's number two. All right, so the first thing we need to do is actually, it's kind of in there backwards because I don't know which way I should turn them. But I'm gonna turn it to the left. All right, I'm gonna do the same for the other side. How'd that guy get in there? He's just living inside my thing, huh? How did he get in there? Wow. All right, let's move to the back and see how we can adjust the rear. The rear is the biggest concern. Focus. The rear is the biggest concern I'm worried about because I feel the more of the bounce in the back than I do in the front. So the front should be a-okay, but the rear is where we have the most tension, and that's when I hit bumps. Like my whole back just go up like that. So we're gonna fix that really quick. All right. So hopefully this works. Hopefully adjusting the dampers will adjust my ride quality, because I'm really getting sick and tired of just stopping in the middle of the road because I know I cannot pass this bump at a high speed, so I just have to slow it down. So hopefully I can do it at a minimal speed and be okay with it, but hopefully these dampers work. I'm about to drive and see how it feels, if I can feel any difference at all, but if I don't, I just don't. So let's give this guy a test drive and see how it goes. All right. I had to switch it up on you guys right quick with the Amazing Spider-Man. I'm about to go drive the car, see how it rides. Hopefully everything's good in the clear zone. If not, I'll be doing some more adjusting on the dampers. Then I'm about to go give my homie some L's on this 2K19. You know, I don't have 2K19 personally, but he does, and I like to go over there and just beat him at his home court, you know what I'm saying, on 2K. But let's see how the rest of the day goes. I really didn't even jump into the video to say it was just a vlog or anything, but might as well be because this video is going to be over 5 minutes long. So hope you enjoy it, and let's go. Yeah, the ride is kind of different. I can feel it, but I can live with this. It's just when I go camber out, that's when it's gonna be the real difference. But yeah, I can feel the difference in the adjusting the dampers do really help. So thanks to the guy whoever gave me that suggestion, I appreciate it. Hopefully I need to go over some bumps that I usually go over and see what's the difference on those two. But so far so good. All right.